Hello, I wanted to share a new tool with you that we learned about during our Fair Day teacher training sessions. It's a tool called Cami and it works through Google. We can use it to basically type on PDF files. So I want to show you how we're going to use this week. During your two labs that you'll have two virtual labs to work on. When you open up the lab sheets, there's two of them to work on. The first one is the energy transfer lab. I have used Cami to prepare this lab sheet for you so that you can actually type directly on it. So you don't have to worry about printing it off and copying down your data. You can do your data collection right in this PDF. To make this work, you're going to have to open with Cami. So at the top of the screen, choose the Open With drop-down menu and click on the Annotate with Cami button. This will take you to the Cami app. The first time you log in, you're going to have to go through a few sign up questions. It's going to ask you, are you a K through 12 student? Click student. It's going to ask you to allow Google to modify your Google Drive contents. Click yes. Click your email address, and it should bring you into this page. Now, why this is great is because I've already filled in text boxes for you. So all you have to do is come in here and type your data. And you'll figure out what the data is you're typing in here. For this, it's time. So maybe your data says 20 seconds or something like that. Now you've got a data sheet already filled out. You don't have to worry about creating text boxes. You don't have to worry about printing off the pages. When you're finished with the lab, it's very easy to return these. They're already saved in your Google Classroom folder. So all you have to do is come up to the top corner here and click the Save button and say Save Now. And this is going to automatically save this into your Google Drive for you within the Google Classroom folder. So when you're finished with both labs, you can come back to Google Classroom, click View Assignment, and simply click the Turn In button that would be waiting here for you. This tool is going to be very useful, I think, moving forward. I'm going to try to get some of the guided notes set up for you so that all you have to do is type on them so you won't have to print them. So be on the lookout maybe next week for some guided notes for Edgenuity for you to actually type your answers into the guided notes on Google Classroom instead of having to print them out and write them on paper. I hope this will be helpful to you moving forward through your Edgenuity lessons. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I hope you're doing well. We'll talk to you soon.